Hi guys, Pepper Pam. I'm going to be doing some meal prep today. One of the things I'm going to be doing is a cherry pie. And I'm using pre-made dough, and I hate to say it, canned cherry. Our cherry tree was loaded this last year, and it was full of blossoms, and we had a freak snow, and we did not get one cherry. So, needless to say, I had to use the canned cherry. So, all I'm doing is I'm putting it in these little things. I have a big surgery coming up in less than a month, and I'm not going to be feeling very well for quite a while. They said about probably 4 to 6 weeks. So, I'm trying to do as much meal prep as I can for my guys. And so all I'm doing is I'm just pouring this in. And this is the large can. This is the 30 ounce. Okay. And then I'm going to take another one and I'm going to cover it over the top. Just like that. Okay, cut this off. And I'm putting this back on. Pinching it on the sides. You can make your own dough if you want. This just saves me some time. Here we go. So I'm going to freeze this, and then I'm going to put it in my sealing mill. And I've saved the leftover dough, just in case I need it. Here we go. That's it. It's all sealed. So this is part of my meal prep for desserts. Got any questions? Shoot me a comment.